To edit the coastal construction projects page, we'll log into the back end of the website and navigate to Pages in the dropdown. Copy the title from the front end of the website and paste in the search box on the back end. That makes it easy for us to navigate to the page. So we'll find it in the dropdown, and it's Coastal Construction Projects under the parent page. And you'll see we have a grid here where we can add rows and add widgets. Let's add another row and make it 3 columns to match the other 2 rows. And all we really need to do here is copy the content. So we'll click duplicate, and we can just drag this right down to the 3rd row. And we'll do the same for the other 2, just so it matches up evenly. Duplicate and drag down. One more time. Alright, to edit, we just hover over the module and click edit, and it'll bring up the HTML for this one. If you want to change the link, it's right there between the quotation marks. So we'll put the new link in there. The image source can be the relative path as you see here, or it could be the full path as we'll demonstrate now. So to get an image in there, we're going to have to switch the editor by clicking this button here. And then click Add Media, and you can see the tabs options there to upload the files or choose from the pre-existing. We're just going to choose a pre-existing image right now. And if I click on this one, I just copy the URL on the right hand side, and we can head back. We're going to click Page Builder in these tabs here just to go back to where we were. And scroll down to the 3rd row, click Edit, and we could paste that in between those quotation marks there. There you go. You see we have the full path there, including the netcomanage.com. That's okay to do. You don't have to change anything. If we change the title, it's between those H4 tags, and if you want to change the paragraph, it's between the P tags, P for paragraph. And of course, you could add as many paragraphs as you like. I'm going to change the URL there again down the bottom. That's the button that says Learn More. And just double. That top one was the link on the image. And click Update. And if we refresh the front end of the website, we should see a 3rd row with the image changed on the 1st. Yep, there we go. We have the new image, the new title, the new description, and the new button. And we'll just remove that for now, since it doesn't really mean anything. You delete the whole row by clicking that button, or you can alternatively delete only the modules and keep the row by hovering over them and clicking delete. We'll update this page and refresh again. And there you go, back to 6. To edit a page that's linked to through the Coastal Construction Projects page, we're going to click the link to the wetland replication page. We're going to copy the title of the page, and in the back end of the site, we're under Pages again. Just going to paste that in there like we did before, and search through, and find it right there. You can see the different modules set up on the page. The one on the left is the text right here, and then we have a photo on the right and 3 across the bottom. 3 photos across the bottom. So if we want to edit the text, we could open that box, add a new paragraph up at the top with some copy inside of it. And I like to just hit done, and that one will be saved on the back end of the site. Say we want to add a new photo on the right hand side to match this one for whatever reason. You can add it right there. If you want to add some text, it's going to look a little funky since we don't have it in the P tags, but that's just for demonstration. If we hit update and we refresh this, we should have 2 matching photos on the right and a new paragraph on the left. You can see the new photos with the text not really matching up and our new paragraph up there. So you can get an idea of how you can change and add things here to different modules. So let's delete this, and done. And we'll delete this other paragraph. put it back to the way it was before. That gives you an idea of how you can add links and photos and different modules to the pages.